So today we're going to be checking out an alternate fix for this COD install suspended data pack missing error. If you haven't checked out my first video, that's what you'll want to check out now. So look in the description, there's a video on how to quick fix this. This is the second alternate video that I'm creating because there's a select few amount of people that are still having an issue, and I want to try my best to help those people out as well. So I have two other alternate methods, and that's what I'm going to be covering in this video today. What we have is two different methods here, and I suggest you try them in this order for ease of use and time. The first one up is going to be going into your settings and renewing your license. You'll want to go into your dashboard and go to settings, and then click on account management, restore license, and click on restore. And what it's going to do is going to go look for your licenses that you've purchased, and it's going to restore all of your licenses. You can't just select each one that you want. So just give it some time, and apologize for the video quality. I just shot this real quick using my phone in order to get it up here and post it as fast as possible. I know you guys are excited to get back to gaming, and this is a real pain. I hope this works out for you. Alright, so it's going to take about a minute depending on how many licenses you have. Also, if you're interested, be sure to check out my channel page and see how Call of Duty Modern Warfare is handicapping good players. I have video proof. And that's the first method. Then try it out and see if it works. If it still doesn't work, go back into your game, launch it up like we always got to do. We got to get into the game first. And now you'll notice you can click on actually uninstall. So if you've already had all the data packs installed, you can click on uninstall. You're going to hit square and it's going to say uninstall. Don't worry, it's not going to uninstall automatically. It's going to launch a screen that shows you everything that's actually installed. Now go through these and look to make sure all the ones that say required for multiplayer are installed. If they are and you're still having issues, you'll want to uninstall these. Go through each one of these that has the multiplayer required and uninstall all of them. Unfortunately, this is the last method I can think that might save you and be able to get you to play. So uninstall them all and then go back via the first video that I showed you and install them all again. And hopefully that'll get you up and running. Like I said, this is just the alternative method. Before you do this though, try that first method I showed you via my first video. And hopefully I'll see you on the battlefield and you guys can get back to gaming. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Have a great day.